Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our new channel. Students, today we are going to discuss India's cancer map. Okay, so we'll understand what recent studies are telling us about cancer in India and which regions are affected the most and why certain types of cancer are rising. Okay, so we'll understand all these things through this news article. Now, students, our body is like a busy city. Every cell is, you can consider it as a house that follows rules. So, what is cancer? Cancer is when someone break houses, okay, and when someone break the house rules and it keep expanding and disturb the whole city. So, younger students, you can think of it like that. So, what does doctors and scientists do? They track cancer cases through something called cancer registries. Cancer registries. Okay. So, registry is like a giant notebook where all new cases, deaths and details are recorded. तो इंडिया के पास क्या है? इंडिया के पास भी रजिस्ट्रीज है, राइट? सो इंडिया के पास टोटल 43 कैंसर रजिस्ट्रीज है एंड दैट कवर ऑलमोस्ट 11% of our population. So using this data, scientists basically estimate the lifetime risk of cancer in India. Okay, and what they found, that it is almost 10 out of 100 people. Right? So in 2024 also, India saw around 14.6 lakh new cancer cases. Now, why do you think keeping records of diseases is important? Why do you think? Why we must keep, why scientists and doctors are keeping records of diseases? Okay. Why? The reason being is so that doctors know where to focus. Which areas need more hospital? कहाँ पर hospital की सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है? And how to prevent future cases. राइट? अब कैंसर रिलेटेड ट्रेंड्स क्या देखने को मिला है कि विमेन विमेन मेड अप 51% of cancer cases. Okay, but 45% of deaths, because cancers like breast and cervical cancer are easier to detect early and treat successfully, and they can go to the doctor early for for early diagnosis, and then they can get it treated. And on the other hand, men often suffer from lung and stomach cancers, which are harder to detect early. That's why, as per the trend, men had more deaths compared to women relating to cancer. Now, oral cancer, we from these trends, we are also seeing that lung cancer, earlier lung cancer was the biggest cancer in men, but now oral cancer is overtaking it. Reason being is use of tobacco, supari, alcohol. All these things are leading to mouth cancer. So even the tobacco use went from um, 34% to 28%, it has seen a decrease trend, but still the risky habits like supari chewing, alcohol, it increase the risk. Okay, and students, once you read this news article, you will find that states that in northeast is a hot spot. States like Mizoram, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur have the highest cancer rates in India. In fact, Mizoram's lifetime cancer risk is nearly double the national average. Why? Because as per the survey, it has been observed that there is a high tobacco and alcohol usage. right? And less healthcare access is there. तो हेल्थ केयर एक्सेस भी लेस है, तो जिससे क्या हो सकता है कि अर्ली डिटेक्शन में टाइम लग जाता है, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट्स, diet and lifestyle are very important in long term health. Yes, it can have an effect. Then there are some places are mentioned, as you can see here, जहाँ पे कैंसर रेट इज क्वाइट हाई, जैसे ओरल कैंसर में ईस्ट खासी हिल्स, सर्विकल इन आइजॉल, लंग कैंसर श्रीनगर, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर हैदराबाद. So why do these patterns matter? See, students, if if doctors know कि कहाँ कहाँ पर कौन कौन से केसेस राइज हो रहे हैं, कहाँ कहाँ पर कौन कौन से केसेस अवेलेबल हैं, कौन सा कैंसर किस जगह पे ज़्यादा देखने को मिल रहा है, लोगों में ज़्यादा देखने को मिल रहा है, तो उससे क्या होगा कि जो डॉक्टर्स हैं उनको एक आइडिया मिलेगा कि कैसे डील किया जाना चाहिए, कहाँ कहाँ पर कौन से स्टेप्स लिए जाने चाहिए, राइट? So if doctors know which cancers are rising, what they can do, they can send more doctors and hospitals there. They can start awareness drives, and lifestyle changes can also be encouraged, like stopping tobacco, eating healthier. For example, in Northeast, more programs on tobacco control, better screening camps, and awareness sessions are needed. So, अगर जहाँ पे पता होगा ना कि कहाँ पे हमें ट्रेंड के हिसाब से, डेटा के हिसाब से, कि कौन सा कैंसर कौन से कैंसर में राइज देखने को मिल रहा है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हेल्थ केयर स्टेप्स लिए जा सकते हैं, ठीक है? जैसे गवर्नमेंट का आयुष्मान भारत प्रोग्राम है, इट कैन यूज दिस डेटा टू प्लान ट्रीटमेंट सेंटर्स बेटर, because students, prevention and early detection are always better. Now, question is, how can we prevent cancer? See, according to data, students, according to WHO, World Health Organization, 30 to 50%, 30 to 50%, 30 to 50% of cancers can be prevented by changing lifestyle. कैसे? If usage of tobacco, supari is reduced, because these are the biggest causes, right? If its usage is reduced, alcohol usage is reduced, eating healthy, more fruits, vegetables, less processed junk food, exercising regularly so that our immunity remains strong, and going for checkups, especially early detection. See, detection, when any disease is detected early, it saves lives. So think of our body as a garden. When we water it well, when we remove weeds, when we protect it from pests, it grows beautifully. And if we ignore it, diseases takes over. Right? So students, uh, that is all for today. And as you can see here, the cancer cases in India is also increasing. And this requires, utmost attention from authorities, from all the stakeholders who are involved. Society, people, they need to consider uh, the changes that is required. All right? Then only we can have a society where the cancer is gone, totally gone from the healthcare. All right? So yes, this can be done. And if you have any question regarding the news article, you can ask me in the comments below. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, stay care. स्टे हेल्दी। बाय बाय।